guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If it's your first time here, my name is Lisa and I make all different type of lifestyle videos. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a clean with me. Personally, I love watching these videos because they motivate me to get up and clean my own stuff after watching, and I hope it has the same effect on you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and just clean pretty much my whole place today. And if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to see my upcoming videos, and please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. So as you guys know, my sister and I are still students, and my sister is my roommate for those of you who don't know. So when we have exams, multiple exams a week, and when things get super busy, cleaning is just honestly not at the top of our list. So as you can see here, just a lot of things piled up, and there's just a lot of straightening up to do. So I'm starting off with the kitchen here. I just went ahead and finished off the dishes, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all away. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe down the counters. So as you can see, this is like a DIY cleaning spray. This is actually something my mom started to make, and in here, there's just a mixture of like tea tree oil, water, and I think vinegar, if I remember correctly. So this is just like a nice natural alternative to cleaning supplies. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the entire place. I don't know about you guys, but personally, my favorite step in cleaning is the floors. So I really like vacuuming and mopping. I find that to be most therapeutic and is personally one of my favorites. So I'm just curious, in the comments down below, let me know, what is your favorite and least favorite thing to clean around the house? The two things I really hate doing is folding laundry and doing dishes. Those are by far my least favorite tasks around the house. So let me know in the comments what your favorites and least favorites are. Moving over to my bedroom. So normally I would use normal like antibacterial wipes, but since stores are still kind of low in supply, for my room, I'm gonna be using 7th generation wipes. These are all they had left when I had last gone to the store. And these actually smell amazing. So they came in 2 scents. It was either lavender or this like peppermint smell. And I really have been loving the smell of this peppermint. It just makes the place smell super fresh. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do have an entire video on an apartment tour since I did recently move to this new apartment. So if you're interested in any of the furniture or like the bedding I'm using here, all of that is actually linked in my apartment tour video, which I will go ahead and leave in the description box so that you can check that out after this video. And then last but not least is the bathroom. Alright, and then finally, I just decided to add a couple little pieces of fall decoration to get into the spirit and with this nice new fall weather here. But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber, and be sure to check out my Instagram. I'll have everything linked down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!